Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, good evening. And we're doing a here simulation session, quick simulation session on gold. Today is 15th of May, 2024. We're gonna use for simulation for Forex software called Soft for Forex, just to manage for our risk management alongside with our strategy. And we go through every question all the way up. And this strategy is very simple and it's straightforward. We're gonna make the market and the trading quite simple. We don't want to make a complication. So basically, we can go back for the last 2 years or last 3 years, whatever we prefer. Right now, this software, if you want to buy it, you can get one license for free and $109 to buy it. Right. So this is what we trade. Gold, I always trade gold on New York session and London session as well. There's exceptions on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame, which one I'm going to trade it. If I'm trading in London, I use for 15 minutes on Asia. I use for 15 minutes on a 15-minute time frame on entry. If I'm trading on a London session, New York session, I use 5 minutes and 1 minute. Per exception. I don't use 30 minutes and 1 hour for entry. That's for a swing trade. We are scalpers. We're sometimes hyper scalpers, and we're gonna have to do hit and run quickly. So you need to be very precise your entry. You need to be able to manage your risk quite well. So first of all, let's go to business now. We're gonna go here. We're gonna choose for gold. If you haven't used this software, inshallah, you can use it later on. And you can view the video and you can see how to use it. But we're going to go quickly. You choose for 2021, 22, 23. Choose one a year. Which one are you going to start from? Which year you want to do the backtest?
2023.
All right, let's go to 2023. All right, the choice is yours. It goes 9 months. We haven't downloaded the rest yet, but
Let's start off March.
March.
Yeah.
Did you say March?
Yeah.
Okay. So whenever you're doing a backtest, always try to go to backtest the first Sunday of the month. Okay. The market always open a Sunday afternoon New York time, 5 o'clock afternoon. So always start from this 5th. That's the first Sunday. So we're trying to do 1 week now. We're gonna do 1 week backtest, okay? Or maybe 4 days. I don't trade for Friday anyway. Alongside with this strategy, we're gonna also have to learn how to manage the risk. And what is the strategy for, and how we're gonna manage the risk in case we go until our anticipation doesn't go the way we want. How we're gonna manage the risk. Remember, your job, your title is risk manager. You're not anything else. Your job is a manager. As a risk manager, how to manage your risk is down to how much profit you're gonna make. So if you just keep watching your money was just going red, and you never really manage it, that's when you're gonna lose your account, and that's when you're gonna blow your account. So we'll see all this on all the way up, and we choose on the 5th of March 2023. Our currency is US dollars. Account size, we're gonna make what? $10,000, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna change this GMT to New York close. So the New York close is simulation session in Somalia. That's how I'm using. But if you're in London or anywhere else, you can use GMT. There's nothing wrong with that. But I always prefer using a New York close anyway. I'm gonna put a spread for fix it to spread. Whenever you execute a trade, you always have a spread on it. So I'm gonna put it to a spread. It's not 20, it's a 20 points. I'm gonna make a commission. We're gonna make a real account. Commission is like a $3. $3. This one is how much you can go back to the chart. Anyway, you make just 5. So that's a matter. Or make whatever it is. How much you can go back to history all the way up, all the way back on the left, how much you can look back. So what we do this strategy, before we go to the strategy, we have to put this chart. This is a simulation chart. So we're gonna make a real chart. You're gonna go to chart. You go to here. I'm gonna start for 1 minute. Anyway, I like 1 minute. I don't. You don't have to anyway. Start from 5 minutes anyway. I like you have to do the 1 minute because we need the pullback for the 1 minute.
So
15 minutes.
15 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hour.
All right. Make it 30
daily.
minutes, 1 hour. Then so since we are entering day, we have to use up to daily candle just to see which direction we go.
Are these used weekly?
No,
as
I
well?
don't use it weekly. I don't use it weekly. I just use it straight up for and daily candle is the highest that I use. I use weekly candle, but no, only when I'm doing a weekly recap.
So
Weekly forecast. That's when I use the weekly. All right, open all these charts. All these are recorded. You can view it later on. You can have a look at it. Inshallah, you can use it. All right. Close it. Now, when I do this, I will go to the chart. I will and make my blue one. I like this color. If you don't like this color, just let me know.
I don't like this color.
All right.
Normal, the green and
All
red.
right. Yeah, okay. You like the red and blue.
Yeah.
What about this one? Blue. You don't like blue? Okay. Oh, you want the normal one?
Yeah, the normal colors.
Okay, let me see that. Let me see if I can. All right. This is what you like. Where is the normal one?
Nah, just change the ball candle. No. Go to the normal one.
That's a
No, yeah.
I think I already have a template saved it. A normal one. That's not the one. I saved it. I think I've got a several. Yeah. Okay, I'll go and change. Autumn. Okay.
Yeah, white background. So, white background.
Still want about white background, yeah?
Yeah.
And I'll make this one green is fine.
Yeah.
I'll make this the red, black
Red
one.
Yeah.
Red. And I don't like this one red. Look far down straight. Okay. Right. That's fine, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Save as a Abdi template. Good. So I'm gonna use this one as a template. Daily candle. This hour, when we trade in this one, what does the time says here? Keep an eye here. What is it saying? That's when the market is opening in our time.
1 a.m. Yeah, 1 a.m.
And that's the simulation time. Okay. So if you want trade, you need to change this time to 12 o'clock. So we need to make this one 12 o'clock for our next. You see that 12 o'clock? You need to start from there. 12 o'clock. And that 12 o'clock is 10 a.m. GMT.
Yeah.
So we start from there. So we already know daily here. Let's go to Abdi. Where's Abdi? Okay. We've done that one. All right. Let's go to hourly. So let's do the scale fix. The scale fix. Go to 1 hour. Right click template. Abdi. Go to property again. Scale fix. Scale fix will allow you to move the charts up and down wherever you like. All right. Go Abdi. 30 minutes. Property. Scale fix. We're doing this one by one because we want the people who want to start this strategy need to learn a lot how to beginners who speak English language. They can learn these things from step by step. Let's go that one again. Okay, template. And then scale fix. That's it. Finally, 1 minute. So that will sometimes take a few minutes to prepare yourself for market trading. This strategy is when you come to this time, what is my, first of all, target, we're gonna have to go to daily.
Yeah,
First,
always start off on the
always,
high.
always start from the daily.
So,
When you go to daily, what you're gonna do is we're gonna see what's happening in the market. You
the
need to be
price action.
you need to know the market. You need to be good for direction. You need to be very good for direction. If you're not good for direction, if you don't know where the market going, then you're gonna be in a big trouble. So
Because if you get the daily wrong, then that means your whole analysis for
your
the
bias
daily.
is wrong. So
Yeah.
market goes left, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's called low, high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, and the market goes again high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high. So if you don't know the market structure, you're gonna get lost and you're gonna make your bias wrong, and it's very serious that you go in a wrong direction and you end up for losing. You don't want to go against direction. Sometimes you could see markets doing a sideway. You don't need to trade that one. The market is buy and sell.
Mm-hmm.
If you are
If you get trapped in the middle,
yes, your job is at buy and sell. Your job is buy, sell, buy, sell. But if you see anything like this, sideways, don't bother to trade. So all you have to do, look for buyers, high, 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 low, 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 high, low, low, high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, low. That's it. You follow the trend. It's go. They say the trend is your friend. Follow the trend. Always follow the trend. Continuation is the best things to trade. If you want to go against the direction, you always have a short leaf move, and you always end up for losing a lot of money. Or maybe some people trade and they like the pullback because, for example, look this one. We create low, we create high,
so
low, low, high.
low,
Create
low,
low, we went up again. We create another low. Now we went up again. So we break this one. Now we break the structure. It's called POS, break of structure. So it's still overall we are in a downtrend. You understand? But we might drop again. So if you don't know the market structure and you never really pay a really good attention for the market structure, and what happened was maybe you end up going against your trade, against your bias. Market. So if you go against your biases, it's very serious. This is high time frame. All time frames are same. So whether it's a 1 minute or 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour or 1 day or 1 year, all the candles are same. So again, let me just go to the price action a little bit here, dig here, but this is the last low that create this high, break this area. This is the last swing. This is the high we created. Since then, another low was created here, and that low create this high. So we create high, low, high. This high didn't create any high. This one couldn't make any, yeah, it make high. Sorry, we break this high. So this was the last low that create this high.
So
What happened was we violated, we go on a quick market structure. We violated, market violated, we practice structure. We practice structure. And what we did was we even practice structure as well, the secondary structure. So now, since we practice low,
we're in an official downtrend.
we are not downtrend, but we need to have a pullback first. Retest the break of structure area and then drop. Pull, drop, pull. This could come all the way down here and then drop again. So overall, once you know your direction,
you're good to go.
Yeah, you know exactly what to look for. So you can even go against your direction by knowing exactly your counter trending. It's very good, but not knowing where you're going, it's like you're going, you just going.
You're driving with no direction. You're driving, but you're going nowhere. You don't know where you're going.
Absolutely.
Gotta get scored that for no reason.
Exactly. Yes. In the others. So right, that's one thing. So once we look this chart now, we see we're here in a rejection area. This is the area we break, and this is retest. we drop again, we retest it, we might drop again. So that should be enough. But there is something called key levels. I haven't explained that one yet, but I'm going to go back to what is the core and the condition things to look for when you trade it. So this is where your key level is 60. Okay. Quick information.
Key levels. So the key levels are the whole numbers.
No. Yeah. So let me just go through strategy.
Cool.
What is the strategy for? Okay. All right. This strategy, first of all, number one, you look for candle, 4H candle.
Look, what, sorry?
Gonna look for 4H candle starting 0-1.
Do you have a daily bias there?
No. Just wanna daily bias we just want to quickly go through what's the core condition and things to look for the trading. Cool. Number one, you look for 1 hour 4H candle. This the base. The way we're gonna make our daily bias and the way we're gonna trade with this strategy is to look for the 4H candle starting 0-1, 0-0 to 0-459 New York time.
Okay. So the day before, basically.
Yes, that's the 4H candle that you're gonna always keep an eye. Okay.
So
that's called London candle. We call them London candle because that's the one pre-London. Okay. Understand? That's number one. Number two, you're gonna mark
the daily highs, yeah, daily lows.
You're gonna mark the high and the low
of the previous day.
This 4 candle.
The 4 candle. Okay.
Okay. Number 3. Number 3, you can ask a question later on, and let me just quickly finish it. Number 3, you're gonna mark all the key levels. I will show you later. I'll mark all key levels. All right. Number 4, you will trade at NY session on 5 minutes time frame. Okay. All right. Number 5. You wait 5 minutes, close below or I London 4H I and low. Okay. This is basically for a start, and we do practice this one anyway. And then one is 5 minutes close above or below. High and low. Wait for 1 minute. Pull back. Take entry. Take the entry. All right. Okay. Basically, this is how we're gonna. This is mainly the main requirement. This strategy, and we're gonna make a strategy quite easy and simple to understand. For us, I'm gonna keep this one. Where should I put it here? Should I put it? Yeah. I'm gonna make it small. Okay. Might be small it. Keep it simple. Maybe keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right. Let's try to just up here. Oh, get a copy in case that will really disappear. All right.
And then you see the step 1 4-hour candle starting at 1 a.m. to 4:59. Is that London time?
It's a New York time.
New York time, yeah?
It says Eastern time. Yeah.
Cool.
You see that one is Eastern time. So basically, we're gonna go step by step, like a baby step for one, so you can learn a lot. I'm gonna apply all these things one by one, okay? So you
Cool,
can
cool.
understand quite
Okay.
easily, because that's what is the strategy all about it, okay? So we're gonna go to the candle. Which candle is this? We're gonna go to the how we're gonna mark. We're gonna go through
You go to the
what's the
4-hour
key
time frame.
levels. We're gonna go. So right now we start the daily. We mark the hourly here. We mark the 12 o'clock or 10 o'clock London time. Okay. Secondly, this 4 hours Eastern time is already closed. This is the one. This is the one starting 8 o'clock Eastern time. Sorry, 8 o'clock and simulation time, and finishing 12 o'clock simulation time. So what we do is, first of all, we're gonna mark the high of this candle.
So
Gonna mark keep it look very careful the way I'm gonna mark, because it's gonna be very important to see how we mark it. We're gonna go one by one, step by step, so the lots of people can learn from in the future. So look at this. This is the 4-hour candles. Which 4-hour candle is the one pre-London? If I say one pre-London. London open 8 o'clock London time. So it's 2 hours before London open. That means 6 a.m. GMT.
6 a.m.
GMT starting London time. So this is the
So
candle.
we work it out from 6 a.m. London time, pre-London, basically.
That's the 4-hour candle. And you need to wait these 4 hours to close, completely close. And after this candle is closed, that's when you are preparing yourself the entry. You understand? So that's first things first. We did that way. So we mark the high and we mark the low of the 4 hours. So you go here, you clone it. And then straight away you go to 5 minutes. You go to 5 minutes. When you go to 5 minutes, you're gonna have to mark the body, not the wick. This is the high of the London high. And this is the low of London. You need to mark precisely exactly the body. You need to mark it. So when you do this one, you locked it here. And so which one we did first? We did this candle. We did this candle first. And then we marked the high for London high and London low. So what is the next step? Key levels.
Key levels.
All right. So let's go to the key levels. Oh, what did I do? Come back. All right. Let's go to the key levels. So the key level is round numbers. Learn the key levels. Key levels is the numbers here. You see that numbers here?
Yeah.
So always key levels, the gold tended to be respecting the key levels quite nicely. And then the most strength key levels where it's now is 1800, isn't it? Is the 100. So if the key levels 1800 is the most strong one. The second strong one is 1850. Okay. So what is in between them? Is 1805, 1810, 1815, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, until 1900. Come on. 1900. So always keep an eye when the gold have this kind of 50 or 00. That's the most strong one. Okay. What is in between them? 1810. It's called $10 move. 1810. 1810. 1820. 1830. 1840. 1850. These are it's called $10 move. Okay, it's 100 pip. And here you can go all the way down to 1860, 70, 80, 90, 1860, all the way up. So dollars always, gold always move at $10 move. So what is between 1810 and 1800 is 1805.
1805, sir.
It's called $5 move. And that's what? 50 pip.
Sir.
That's 50 pip. You understand? So we need to pay an attention for the key levels. It's very important.
Sir.
If we don't pay attention for the key levels, then we're going to be losing. Okay. So now, what is our second stage? To mark the key levels. So now you know what the key level is. Gold tends to respect quite nicely on key levels. Okay. So let's go to the key level.
You see the key level, yeah? See the key level there? Do we find it on the 4-hour time?
No. Just the key levels on the chart. It doesn't matter the time frame. Just mark the whichever time. You go to 4 hours if you want to. You go to daily. But right now where we are is this is London high. This is London low. This is our range. This is where we are now. So we are here. So we need to know what is the nearest the key level in London low and nearest the key level in London high. We don't want to mess around the whole chart. So we just want to quite simply mark the key levels. So let's go and mark again. The nearest the key level here is 50. Let me see that. Let me change the color, probably blue. And 1850. What did I just say? 1850 was one of the most strong key levels of mine.
Key levels,
right? Okay, let's mark the other one. What's it after 50?
55.
All right, let's mark that's $5 move, yeah? That's $5 move. What about the one above?
1850, 1860.
Good. So 60. So what about the one above?
1865.
Okay. All right. And then that's up. What about down? If we're going down again.
1845.
45. All right. Okay. So when we mark like this, everything, pretty much we know exactly what's happening. The key level 65, 60, 55, 50, 45. Even you can mark if you want to 40. It's not far from here. It's a very good structure, as we know. So that means we have in here $100, 100 pips, 200 pips, 220, 250 pips. So gold tended to move every day 320 to 400 pips every day. So right now we came to this 10 o'clock London time, and then we marked our charts. Let me just open this one and then copy, clone it. See how to clone it?
Clone it, yeah, sir.
So then you go to low time frame, you see all the key levels already ready for you.
Yeah.
All the key levels are ready for you. Even 30 minutes, 1 hour, everything daily, they marked for you. So now we marked this one as well. We marked the key level, right? Okay, we're gonna trade New York session. We're not gonna trade London session, okay? Or maybe if we see entry, we're gonna try it anyway.
So
we're gonna trade 5 minutes on New York session, 5 minute time frame. We're gonna wait. We're gonna trade 15 minutes on London and Asia session. But if the 5 minutes gives you more than that, more 15 people and more, then you don't need the 15 minutes. For example, you take the ruler, check this candle, 27 people. You don't need to trade for, oh, this is 30 minutes. Let me go to 5 minutes. Let me go to 5 minutes. go to this one, take this one. How many pips? 12 pip. I need a 15 pip. If the candle is not 15 pip, then I have to go to 15-minute time frame. And that's going to be my entry. This 15-minute is almost 30 pips. It's very healthy. Always read candle by candle. This is a price action. If you don't trade with the price action, you're going to be lost within the market. So best thing to trade is the price action. Right. Now we prepare everything. Now we have to wait. What it says, you have to wait for 5 minutes to close below or high London high. What is London high? This is
The
London.
green candles that we marked out, the green lines that we marked out.
That's it. So what? How are we gonna wait? What are we looking for? What do we want to see? If we, first of all, we want a candle. Oh, yeah.
That either closes below or closes above the green lines. That's what we want.
Come back here. What is this candle tells you? This candle tells you it's a bearish candle, right?
So
Or is it bullish candle or bearish candle?
it's a bearish candle, but
it goes up and was rejected from up and didn't break the low as well. So it's
I'm
actually
expecting the next candle to be bearish as well.
So although we're in a range here, but what are we looking for? We're up overall, we're uptrend.
But I see a resistance.
High, low, high. We come back here, we got a resistance here. So if we have a 5 minutes close below here, we're gonna go to come back to this key levels of 45. So
it's a pullback. It's a pullback basically.
Yeah. So we're gonna be trading that way. So if you go to 5 minutes, what are you gonna see? You're gonna see 5 minutes here. All right, you're gonna see 5 minutes. This is what I want to see. You need to trade what you see, not what you think. Okay. Don't you see 5 minutes close below like this? And you need 1 minute pullback.
That goes up.
Go up and then come back. Once it was breaking here, the low of this.
The previous low.
Yeah, you're gonna take it.
That's where you enter. You enter off the previous low wick.
Exactly. That's your entry. And your stop loss is gonna be here.
The previous high.
Give them a space like 2-3 pip space or 2 pip space for a spread. That's how we're gonna want to see the sell. What about the buy? Buy, we want to see a candle.
The opposite way, innit?
Yes, like this.
See something close outside of
1 minute pullback. The next 1 minute breaking the high. Entry is there. Boom. 50 pip. Next key level. Which one is next key level? This one.
The whole number. What's that number? 1860.
The basic strategy is this. These are the basic requirements. Okay. What is else? What did I list? Did I treat it? Yes. Okay. That's basic strategy. And you wait for 1 minute and take the entry. Did you get all these things? We ticked it on everything, yeah? We ticked this. Oh, yeah. Okay. So basically, that's the reason why we're going slowly with this one, because we want you to understand. We did this one, we did this one, and we did this one. Okay? So it's fine. Now we know exactly what we're looking for. So forget about it. We delete it. You can look for the videos back again later. So until you see all this requirement, you see it on your hand.
Yeah, you don't make no moves.
No move, you just sit there. And see. All you want to see is what you want to see. If you don't see what you want to see, you're not going to trade it. Okay? So now we're going to put this one here. We're going to get a risk for what? First day of the week. Why? I'm going to risk first day of the week 0.5. I don't normally risk more than that. I make a visualization. I'm already prepared myself on my risk. I know what to do today. I know how much money I'm going to risk my account. That's it. So you're going to start trading. No formal. No formal. No formal. All right. Is there anybody, candle body, you don't want to see?
Nothing's closed. Yeah, it's got to close below. Nothing's closed yet.
You don't see the body close below?
Yeah, so you don't enter.
You don't enter. You don't bother. You say, no, it's not what you like. And if it goes like, if he left you, forget about it. If you
Yeah,
go,
let it
don't
go.
FOMO. Do you know what FOMO is? Fear of
Yeah,
missing.
fear of missing out.
Yes. Oh, it's gonna live on me. Oh, the train already is
Let me
issue.
jump on the train.
Yeah,
Yeah, no more.
forget about all these things. Wait
Mhm,
for 5 minute candle to close below. There's
mhm.
something else I want to tell you. You need to, and I forget, maybe didn't tell you. When you trade in and you want to take a trade, what is this one? Resistance, right?
Yeah, sir.
What is this one? Confirmation of resistance.
Confirmation of resistance.
Always
Is it,
keep an eye. So now what we create?
you created the exact
Support.
same. You
Create
created
some
support, and then we've basically
confirmation of
broke to break a structure as well because
this is confirmation of
one,
something. So
yeah, one,
so
one
always keep an eye to resistance, confirmation of resistance, and
and support.
support, confirmation of support. Keep that one in your
So,
mind. And we take it as we get gradually progress it, and we will learn a lot about these things anyway. These are the parts of the entry criteria. All right, before we took any trade. So keep an eye. Support, confirmation of support. Now we already create support and confirmation of support. If the next one break the high, we're going to be going up all the way down, might be the next key levels. That's it. So we're not taking anyway. We don't trade inside here.
inside of this range, we don't
Yeah,
trade.
we don't trade. That's called the range. So that's not your
Because it's gonna
trading
go
zone.
up, it's gonna come back down. It's gonna go up, down, but it's not gonna break any key levels at all. It's just gonna be in and out.
As you get advanced, you will learn how to trade inside this range.
So
In this big range, big fat range. You see that one? As you get
yeah,
advanced, you will learn how to trade it. It's a really big range, which is almost 70 pips, but I would have taken from here and then targets here. Bing bong, bing
yeah,
bong.
because there's another support, there's another resistance level right
Yeah.
there.
But
Would you?
that's not our aim here. That's not
Yeah,
our
yeah,
strategy
yeah.
today.
So,
Our strategy is wait for candle to close above and candle to
yeah,
close below. Yeah, one
outside
below,
of the
one
channel.
close below here, one close above here. That's it. That's our job. If we don't
So,
see it, we don't trade today.
so
And if that happened in New York, even better,
because
even
there's more
nicer.
liquidity in New York, more volatility, more volume.
Exactly. Now what's happening? Look, she went
See,
upside. She
one
went
one
upside.
one on the only lie if we got in, yeah.
Yeah, 13 pips. Now she comes back to support.
Let it
What does she
close, let
create
it close.
now? What does she create now? Resistance?
I need it to close first. Let it finish.
All
Let it finish.
right. Unless the candle close below, we're not going to
Mm.
trade.
So,
We need to see the body close below. Nope. That's it. No more fear. No more fear. No FOMO. No FOMO.
hello, phone.
If that, and the other problem is because we're very close to the key level, 50 key level. What are we going to do? The other thing is, Adel, listen very, listen very careful. What is the time here? 12:44.
12:44.
Always be careful. The last 2 minutes or 5 minutes.
It's very volatile.
It will always do the pullback and reject it. You become a John Wick. You understand? Always be careful. The
So,
last 2 minutes or 5 minutes.
mhm,
Last 5 minutes or 15 minutes.
mhm.
Last 10 minutes of hourly candle. You always take a note of all this. Later on when you watch this, you're going to take a note, okay?
So,
Always be careful. The last 5 minutes, last 2 minutes or five.
mhm,
Last 5 minutes of 15.
mhm,
Last 10 minutes of hourly candle.
mhm,
And last 15 minutes of 4-hour candle.
mhm. So,
It's very nasty. And always keep an eye. Whenever 15 minutes close, now 15 minutes only got 30 seconds left, 35 seconds left. 15
mhm,
minutes always have and 30 minutes always have a nasty pullback. Nasty
mhm.
pullback. They really, 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 they're going to stop you out and then continue going your direction.
Then it's gonna go in your direction.
Yes.
So,
They just take you out from the market and then they just continue. And your setup was fine. Everything was perfect, but they should just get you out. That's all. You
no, that's
understand?
what I always wait for the candle to close. Like always wait for the candle to close. Let the timer finish. Like if you're trading a 5 minute, let the 5 minute close. If you're trading a 15 minute, let the 15 minute close. So you don't get caught in that type of
Right.
situation.
So basically,
Mm.
what I'm saying here is you wait for it. But remember, the timing is very important. What I'm saying here is not when it's timing.
So,
You always look for right now. If this 5 minute close below, and I know new 15 minutes is starting, I know this 15 minutes is gonna pull back again.
so,
So if she go back again and pull back before she carry on all the way down, she's gonna do nice pullback. So this can be like this. This happen. This can be like. Let me just see. This can. Let's say this 5 minute close below like this. We just got 25 seconds left, 30 seconds left. Let's say this candle close below. That was our entry, right? But it's a new 15 minute. Maybe next 15 minutes can be like this.
it's gonna pull back up. Yeah.
Next 5 minutes can end up going back again, and like this. So we
Now
lost.
it stopped us out.
It gives you like this, and then you take a sell here, and then it went back again. What is this one called, Marka? Fake out. What do you call this one? Fake out. And then another candle created confirmation of support. The third candle, once you breaking this high, she's gonna go all the way up to London high. Maybe next key levels. You understand? So always be careful. The timing. Then I tell you again, the last 5 minutes of 15, the last 2 minutes of 5, the last 10 minutes of hourly candle, the last 15 minutes of 4H candle. Okay. The other thing is this 5 minutes. This 5 minutes going up is about to close. What else you can see from here? We create resistance.
So
Confirmation of resistance. This one is confirmation. This tiny bit here is confirmation of resistance. So in case this one closed here below and pullback did it and the breaking is low, our stop loss is going to be here. That's where ours. So you need to plan before you execute. You need to plan your trade before you execute according to your trading plan. So once you execute, your job is to manage it. That's it. There's nothing else left for you. Is to manage your trade, whether it's a profit or loss. You understand? So basically, that's how we're going to do. The strategy is quite simple, quite understandable. Maybe there's so much question later on you can come up and ask me. But for the time being, I'm trying to keep it simple.
no, it's very simple right now.
Don't want to overcomplicate it. And every day you can get trade like this. Maybe 4 or 5 times a day you can get it, something like this. But anyway, see exactly how you're going to trade for this one. See how we're going to trade. Let's see the 5 minute close. If this 5 minute close below, yes, the 5 minute close below.
So
beautiful. What was our first? What was the job? Was it? What was the things we need to look for it?
We gotta look for a candle that closes outside of
we
the
need to
4 hour.
have a 1 minute pullback and next 1 minute come and break this low.
So we need the wick to be created.
We need to have a pullback. If we don't have a pullback, it's dangerous. It's done a little bit pullback. Let's see. Okay, now
see.
I don't like it. First 30 seconds, she just laid. I would like
so
to
there's no pullback. There is no pullback. So we're gonna be taking out
small tiny wick here. See that small tiny wick here? But I wouldn't be trusting that one.
Yeah, I wouldn't get in here. I wouldn't get in here.
But if you want to risk it, small risk, in case if you want to risk this one, this is how you're supposed to be trading. You've been waiting. You've been waiting like this. You've been waiting like this. Because John Wick can buy it. This is what I want. I want a proper wick.
A proper wick, so you're not scared of a reversal.
Yes, and then take a little sell. Yeah. That's all I wanted. But this time, she didn't give me. So
it's very shy wick.
It is when you feel like, oh, I don't want to miss a trade. Oh, I don't want to miss a trade. What if I miss a trade? This is if you cannot control your feeling, it's difficult. So sometimes you say, I'm going to risk 0.25. So what I was risking 0.50, right? I want to see the fallback. So I even have, and then it says execute. What is my stop loss? Here.
The previous candle wick, so
that's the one. That's the confirmation of resistance. This one. This one. And take a profit. What? 50 pip. Next key levels.
Oh, so you're okay. So you're you're okay.
So I'm gonna put my profit next key levels. What am I looking at? Look here. What is it? 50 pip. And how much I'm risking? 13 pip. So I'm risking for $25. How much I'm looking for? $115.
115. That's
So
like
you
a
are
one. That's like a
one.
1 to 5, basically, almost a 1 to 5, 1 to 4.5.
So I'm already in the trade now. It's
So play
two
it, play
things.
it.
We are trading pre-New York. We're supposed to be trading New York session. We are trading pre-New York. Number one. Number two, we took the entry. How much people? How many people? This is 8. How many people? Canal is very. There's no volume. This time there's not enough volume. There's chance like we're gonna end up. We might lose this trade. But again, what I'm showing you is how to trade this strategy. Suppose this is a New
Supposedly,
York. This is supposed to be New
yeah.
York. This is how you're gonna trade.
There's gonna be a lot of volume in New York, so it's gonna be a better trade. It's a better
If
setup.
this if this candle comes back again and end up inside here, I'm gonna kill it. First of all, let's say this candle end up like this. Quick, push, and then it's end up like this, bullish. Okay, end up like this. As soon as it end up inside here, I'm gonna close 50%, and the other 50%, how can I stop loss score? Or if you create already confirmation of support, I'm gonna
I'm
completely
gonna
kill it.
close all of it. Yeah, close all
Oh,
of it.
sometimes I know I'm very picky. If I see something like this and it didn't go in my way, I'll kill it straight away as soon as it went inside as a fake support. Sorry, as a fake.
That's not good though. That's a muffin sass.
Yes,
Because sometimes it might just be a pullback because Fidi, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. It's got hooked over bearish.
yeah,
So
but
it
then
might be a little pullback
because
just to tap
two
in.
thing is you are trading low session or low volume.
Oh, صح.
Secondly,
Volume.
you didn't like the trade. If you don't like the trade, don't hold it. Kill it. You
Okay.
don't know what she's gonna do it. She can go wherever she wants to go.
صح.
This is not the first day you're gonna trade. You're gonna trade the rest of your life.
Yeah. صح.
Kill it. If you didn't like this, because there's a rejection here, can you not see there's a rejection here?
Yes.
What makes
Support.
you think was rejected here before, and this time it's gonna be
It's
breaking?
gonna break
Yeah.
previous. Yeah.
So
صح.
you don't control where the market is going. You only control where the money your money goes. You understand? So basically, that's how you want to manage. I'm only showing you, it doesn't have to go the way we want now, but I'm showing you once you're in the trade, there's a certain things you need to keep in mind. Your risk management mechanism has to be in place. It has to be on the table. It has to be working. You understand? So right now we're in a trade for the first 30 seconds of the 15 minutes. And 15 minutes, what did we just say? They have a nasty pullback. So the chance we might end up inside. I'm glad this is happened now because you're going to learn how to manage the risk from now. So let's see how we're going to manage. See, in case this happened in real life, you need to back test this on 100 trades, okay? You don't just go to the live market, okay? Let's see the market. Okay, she dropped it. That's it. What did she do? She took the low and she went inside.
It's done exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So what is
Now,
she?
now I would close it. I would because
She might go. The reason I will close it is because the
I
key
would
level
close
is
it.
here.
Yeah, man.
What is
I
the
would
key level
close
here?
it.
What
You
is
can't
this?
remember either. Remember either, Korea. You can't even get there.
Yes. Okay. Let's wait.
Yeah, I would close it as well.
Until this
Yeah.
candle is closed, we don't have any business. Okay. All right.
See?
She didn't close inside the range, but she still closed below. And then
You got to see if it's gonna break previous high. If it breaks previous high, walk up a half.
that's
Yeah.
it.
Talk
We're gonna
about
kill
that.
it.
Yeah.
We're gonna kill it. You want to kill it?
Yeah,
How much you
kill it.
lost it? 0.17%. You didn't even lose 0.5%, right? Kill it.
Kill it,
That's
man.
it.
That's not
So
worth it.
now you understand how to get in the trade. And now you
Yeah.
understand how to, if it goes against you, how to manage, right? The basic strategy. But still, if this 5 minutes close below, I'm going to have to execute the trade again. The only reason I cannot take this trade is because the last, last 5 minutes of hourly candle. Can you see the time here?
Yeah. It's too volatile. So
No. What did we just say? Don't trade for the
the
last
last
10
5 minutes, yeah.
So if this 5 minutes close below 50, I'm going to execute. The trade goes your way. Look at that. Maybe it doesn't go the way. Just see. until you see the 5
But
minutes.
there was no top wick. There's no top wick at all. So
It's still, yes, there's no,
yeah,
there's
there's
no,
no
there's no push
yeah.
pressure.
So it's gonna have to create the top wick.
Doesn't have to. Okay, now what can you see?
Now it hasn't closed below the key level, but
Yes,
it closed outside of 4 hour.
but it closed below London low, right?
Yeah, صح.
So we need to pull back, and if she comes back and break that low, we're gonna execute.
صح.
Okay.
Yeah, صح.
We still have a 50 pip go down. Okay.
Cool.
All right. Now we're gonna execute. This time we're still early session. I'm gonna risk this time 0.50. I'm gonna put my risk back on the table. What is our stop loss? Our stop loss. Let me see how much is
pips it is cool.
It's very late. No. It's very 10 pip. 5 minutes 10. There's no volume. No. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna reduce my risk because that has to be. Okay. I'm gonna because it's early session. I'm gonna put a stop loss here. I'm gonna risk $25. I'm looking for next key level for
next key level.
okay, $80. Good.
So almost 1 to 3. So.
All right, let's see. How are we gonna manage this one? How are you gonna manage this trade?
Cool.
You know how you're gonna manage this trade?
Yeah, I'm still what we'll see.
No, you need to know before you move. You need to
No,
know.
I know mentally, I know. It's just I didn't say if it breaks the previous high, then I'll take 50% away and let the rest of the trade run away.
What if it doesn't take and create
Yeah.
create a support?
If it breaks previous bearish candles high, then I'll take 50%. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna let it play out.
Okay.
Cool. Now I'll take away 50%.
Good. Close 50%.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. Never play around with this. That's it. What if she creates a support? Are you still gonna
because
hold
the
this?
pullback, look, it's a pull because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 bearish candles. So the price is too cheap. So what it's gonna do is it's going to balance back out. So I'm gonna let the rest of it play out. I'm gonna let it play out.
Okay, at the same time, okay. If this candle creates a support, are you still gonna hold? Since you close half. So let's see how it goes.
It depends how it closes. It depends how the candle closes.
Candle close support. Okay, next candle.
If it breaks previous high, خلاص I'm out. If
what if it breaks low?
and
Are you
then
gonna add more?
No, because the volume is too low. The volume is way too low to add more.
Okay. Sure?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure. 100%.
I would have been added anyway. I can add it for that. I don't have a problem with adding because I will put that risk back to the table.
Oh, but it's the volume, Bahasha. That's the reason I didn't want to add it because I did also just thought I'm in the same predicament to start off. Or could be happy. So I'm okay.
All right, now we have a different issue.
So now if it breaks previous low, then I would add.
Okay, now
it's confirmation.
Now 5 minutes close below.
No, but if it needs to create a wick, if it creates the pullback wick, then breaks previous low, then I'll enter more. I'll put more in. Cool. Let's see how it plays out.
Now, so let me just go back to education again.
Now let's finish the trade with that.
No, go back to education. This is called fake support.
Yeah, صح.
And this is why we want to add more. The risk I took off the table, I supposed to put it back here.
Why?
Because we took the risk off here. When we break this high, we took 50%.
Yeah,
so when we're coming back again and we're breaking the fake support, I can put it back. It's a choice anyway. You don't have to. That's how it is. Because due to seeing this one heavy bearish pressure, I would have expected this one will do it. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Let's this one go our way. It is too early to say. Remember, it's the last 5 minutes of 15. She can go back to the key level again if she wants.
Cool.
She could be a bad
So
day of trading.
good.
Is it? Now, last 5 minutes of 15. What did we just say?
No, I'm gonna leave it, Willie. Leave it.
What did we just say? Last 5 minutes of 15?
Yeah, it will do a pullback. So
Good. Now, this could be a fake support as well.
if it breaks both previous lows and creates
Good.
no, it hasn't created a wick yet. It needs to create the wick. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Now if it goes below, I'll buy in.
Okay.
هذا. Pause it then. Bring it back in.
The reason is she's doing like this because there's a low volume time.
Yeah. So
If it's a New York, this would have been done like
it would have been done a long time ago. So
1 minute candle will done all this shit. Oh yes, now she created this 5 minutes. If she go inside and create a support confirmation of support, we're gonna kill it.
yeah, I need the candle to close. If it closes, I'll take out. I'll leave Wakabaha.
Yeah.
If it closes. No, will you Wakujira?
You still
Yeah, leave it.
All right. 30 minutes close. A new 30 minutes can do a really nasty pullback, right?
Yeah. Oh, cool. Pause. No, go back to the 5 minute. The Rahabana. Cool. Let it close. There's only 20 seconds left. Let it close. Last 20 seconds. Cool. Now, wait. Let it finish. I want to see something.
How حاول كده
ما يفوي فاهم قرا في سوسو بحر انا فريو
كم حاول كده
يا ذر
كم حاول كده
91 pips.
No, 9 pip.
Oh, it says 91.
91 points.
Okay, 91 points.
Drop. Quick drop Arwa to the next key levels at least. If she doesn't do it, if she breaks,
How about if this candle doesn't do the big move, I'm out because I see us.
It's a low volume session, so we don't have. We want a quick drop. That's all we want. That's why it's better to trade in London.
In London,
in New York,
so how the session that we're in is
it's
the session
it's not
New York.
London. It's a check here. Okay, you see, this is in London, the green one. New York is going to start for 3 o'clock. So what time is it? 2 o'clock now. We got 1 hour to go New York. But we already have a direction. We already have a going continuation.
Can you bring up that timer? I'm so sorry, Krita. The timer. The timer was just there. Let me look at it properly. 0 1. Sorry, timer. The one right behind it. So cool. This is pre London. هذا بحكي كجنو.
هذا بنوع pre New York هذا.
Pre New York. I mean, sorry.
Come on, drop. Drop
This
next
is gonna
key
be
level.
hopefully, yeah.
Go to next key levels. That's all we want to see. So we're on profit at the moment. What, $18?
Yeah, profit. صح.
And we're already in. Oh yeah, 20 pip. You see that one? You're already at 23 pip.
23 pips.
No, it's not bad. You really have a good pips, man. It might be a good idea to secure some.
Oh, you can take partials in this, Mahano.
Yes, you can secure some.
Yeah. No, because on my MetaTrader, I don't know how to do partials. No, take partials. Take 50% partials.
Okay. Why are you taking? Because last 5 minutes of hourly.
Yeah, because the last 5 minutes of the hourly is a very dangerous place. So you got my 50%.
You want to take your 50% out?
Yep.
All right. Close partial.
Yep, close partial. 50%. Also
break even.
Yeah, break even. Yep, that's exactly what I was gonna say. Also break even.
So we are not.
I'm more than happy. I don't care about the trade now. I'd let it play out. Let it play out.
This one is
Because like
called.
here, the Wakate and my risk, I took my risk and my partial profits off the table. So
So what do you
alhamdulillah,
call this trade? You call risk-free trade.
risk-free trade. That's all.
Okay, good. So let's see how you play it out.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Right, hourly candle starting now. We got 30 seconds left, right? New hourly candle.
This third one, something.
So now we created what? Can you see how many candles? What would you create?
Three candles. Three candles. You created a support zone
Support
and confirmation of support as well.
okay. Until otherwise we break this confirmation of support,
Yeah,
we can't take a sell.
yeah,
So it looks like we changed the direction. We're gonna get hit our stop loss.
I don't. Yeah, might let it finish. Let it get
So
to
you
finish.
guys stopped out.
Stopped out, but I'm happy. I took partial profits, and it's a risk-free trade. That's a very good outcome.
Good, good. So the strategy works like this, right?
It's very good strategy though.
Yeah,
Very
very
good.
simple, and that is
Yeah.
how you're gonna trade.
You know what is? I realized innit?
Yeah,
I realized the most
right.
important thing is risk management in this. That's the most
The
important.
most important is the risk management. So now,
by far,
so there's another question coming up here. So let's do it. We don't want to deviate it for study session because other people might watch these videos later.
Okay.
And you can discuss all this later. If this 5 minutes comes back again and close below 50, and that green is still London low, right? Am I right?
Sir.
This green is a London low. If the 5 minutes comes back again and close below, she didn't. Would you be willing to sell here? If 5 minutes close below 50, for example. Since we took this trade already, that is my
Personally, me, I wouldn't get involved.
because you took a trade today, so you don't want another trade.
No, but it's the volume that's putting me off. The
Okay.
volume's putting me off in this.
All right, okay, good. So let's see this how we play out.
It's not giving me enough conviction to enter.
In advanced levels, I will see if we can. So anyway, what time is now? New York's already open. 1 hour.
Now New York's open. Now we'll see. Let it play out.
This is called overlap, New York and London.
Yeah, sir.
You understand? So if 5 minutes close above, are you still willing to buy? Yes. But now we're in a range. What time is this one? What time is here?
Last 15 minutes.
This is 6 o'clock GMT. This is 4 o'clock GMT. 5 o'clock GMT. Yeah, 4 o'clock GMT. That's not your trading hours, isn't it?
Nope.
That's not in your trading plan. It's a 6 o'clock Mogadishu time. I don't have to trade this time. I'm gonna go to next day. Simple step. My trading hours finished.
It's finished.
Maghrib boy. This is not. Understand?
So Adi, you trade from Adi exactly what do you trade as in time
From 2
frame?
o'clock. I trade from 2 o'clock to 5:30.
So what time would that be for me, nigga?
It's gonna be 1 o'clock. So no, it's gonna be 12:30 in GMT to 3:30.
So 12:30 to 3:30 GMT, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Right.
So that should clearly say it's in your trading plan that we discussed earlier. We're gonna have another session.
Isn't it? But it starts at 1. I think it starts at 1 till 3:30. I'm not too sure. 1 to 3:30.
The market starts at 1, so you don't have to be when the market starts. You have to be half an hour before the market opens.
Yeah.
You don't have
I
to.
even like to do it half an hour after.
All right.
Because there's a lot of volume.
All right. Today is a Monday.
So
We traded. It was almost break even. So let's go to next day. Let's go to next. What time we're gonna go here? 12 o'clock, Soma.
12:30, sir. 12.
Right. No. 12:30 is London. I'm talking about simulation session. What time?
Yeah, 12.
4 o'clock. Right. You come next day. What is your job? Go to daily candle. See what's happening.
Daily candle. So
Daily candles. First things first. Let me just go through this one. Let me explain again.
Ah.
Okay. Whenever you trade in this strategy, you got to look yesterday candle. Yesterday candle was close bearish. Okay. Overall trend was down.
Downtrend.
So it's pull back, and then we might go down again. That's all I need for daily. Okay. Other thing I need a daily is because daily already was rejected this area.
Yeah, daily is bearish. My daily bias is bearish.
So basically, daily was rejected this zone. So what am I looking for? If London candle close, if London 4-hour close bearish, my bias today is bearish, and my target is around here.
Yeah, it's gonna distribute during the New York session.
Right. Yes, that's simply all I need to look for. So go to 4-hour.
Cool.
4-hour. 4-hour close. Which one is a London candle? Which
The
one?
London candle. Let me check.
This is a London candle.
صح.
This one is a London candle.
Yeah, صح.
Because look at the time. It's 12 o'clock now.
12 o'clock,
That's the one finished. So what is our job? Mark high
out
and
the
low,
previous high and the previous low.
and then go to 5 minutes.
The 5 minute.
And put it on the body.
On the body, صح.
And then high on the body. That's your job.
We have our key levels marked out as well. Previous
key levels already marked up for you. You can always mark up the key levels every day. So just to get used to, for you to practice the key levels. So you need to remove them and remark again. So we're saving the time for the videos, for the sake of the videos.
Yeah.
Right. Today is Tuesday, second day of trade. Check first of all any news.
Yeah, Forex Factory. Let's see.
There's no. Yes,
no, there's no news that's affecting us.
No,
but we just go USD. Or gold. Okay, if we can find go USD house.
Right. Is there any news today? Yes, there's the power speaking today. So that is late anyway. That's 5 o'clock
though. Yeah.
So we need to trade before that anyway. Sometimes it can stay ranging. But anyway, we know exactly what to look for. We know exactly what we're looking for. What are we looking for now? We're looking for.
What you look for is a candle to close below or above this high 4-hour high and 4-hour low.
5 minute close below here. And next one, pullback.
Yeah, with a wick and then
next key level
previous low.
The good thing is this is a key level 45. We're already below that one. And also I'm looking for in case we go by, I'm looking for 5 minute close above, 1 minute pullback, the next one break the high, and boom. The rest is the risk management. Okay. Nothing else we're gonna look. We don't want to overcomplicate. We don't want to make a crazy move. That's it. We need to see a 5 minute close below here, the green line. You see that green line?
صح.
You need to
zoom out a bit. Zoom out.
Yes. That's all you want, yeah?
صح.
So the other thing is we are starting a new 4-hour now. 12:01.
Can you zoom out one time? One time, the zoom button. Perfect. Right.
All I want to see a 5 minute close below. That doesn't happen.
This one's gonna be let's see.
Okay.
Nah,
what happened?
Not yet, man. Not yet.
What happened?
The 5 minute close below, but it's not it's for me personally, I wouldn't enter there. I wouldn't. That's me. Because there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish candles.
No. Let's go back to our strategy. Let's not complicate, okay?
Oh no. I'm not complicating. I'm just giving extra confluence in it there. But
no.
the main reason is it can't break the previous the previous lows, Mijabinkri, in it.
Our strategy was very simple. We need a 5 minute close below. We need a pullback, and if she breaks the low, we're gonna execute. Okay.
Cool.
If she does, the only reason we cannot execute is this 5 minute volume.
Yeah, it wasn't strong enough.
It's only a 9 pip. So therefore, I need
15
minute candles to close below. I need to see a 15-minute candle to close below. If not, I cannot take the 5 minute as a, it's no meat on it. It's no flash, meat and flash on it. So I need to wait that way. It's not what I feel or what I like it or I don't like it, but it's just what I want to see. So this one is gonna go without us. If she wants, she can go without us. We don't have to take this trade, but we need to see a 5 minute healthy close below.
Yeah.
Okay, if this one close below,
I don't think it will, but we'll see.
I want to see a candle London candle, New York session breaking this low. To be honest with you, if that's okay, new 15 minutes. Look at
Let
that.
it create the pullback, and then if it violates the previous lows, I'll enter.
Okay. 15 minutes. What 15 minutes did? She closed below, but she doesn't have a 10. She's not even 10 pip. There's no volume. This time there's no volume. And new 15-minute pullback, and let's see if she break the low. I don't like it. You want to take this entry?
Well, let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
5 minutes. It's lowest volume time, but you know what?
No. I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it. But see, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it.
You'll take it. The reason we're taking it is because we got 5 minutes close below. We also have a 15 minutes close below, and we're gonna manage.
Oh, hi.
We're gonna manage. We're gonna manage. We don't have to get scared for that. If she comes back, we learn how to manage the risk. Okay.
So.
All right. The
Hey.
only thing this one was not good because the 15 minutes. The previous one.
That's why I didn't want to enter personally, because
this one is good, 25 pip. So this one was a little bit.
it's
This
very
one
weak.
was a little bit breather. Let me see it on the left. Oh, there's a problem here. That's why. You see that problem here?
Yeah, there's a lot of rejection fake out candles. So, a lot of them.
If there's a volume, she will crash all this, but there's no volume. All right. See that? Five minutes. Go to 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes. Yes.
If the 5 minutes goes above, I will kill it. Confirmation of resistance. This is called confirmation of resistance. So I'm gonna kill it because the volume is really heavy. Bottom. So that's how you can enter. If you don't like it, just close. Kill it.
I didn't like that one because the previous 15-minute candle was only 10 pips. Cool.
Right. Okay.
Well, yes, the next candle, how that's making
Are
sense.
you willing to take a
If
sell?
if it closes below, that's a valid breaker structure as well, so it makes sense. I fit in. Let's keep going. Cool.
Right. 5 minutes.
Yeah. If it
And
breaks the
it's 5
wick,
minutes.
if it goes below the wick,
This
or
5 minutes is a 15 pip.
Yeah.
Okay.
if it goes below the wick of the previous bearish candle,
Now she created some resistance,
mm,
support. Okay. What do you call this one?
will
This one?
as in the
Resistance.
candle or your resistance, yeah, resistance.
Confirmation of resistance.
This
Now, if you take a trade from here, or you take from here,
I would take.
your stop loss will be here. Okay, it's so simple. Learn from there. If you take any trade from this here, this is your stop loss. I mean, that's 15 pip. Right, a second. We'll just let it go. It's just not our session time. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, now I would enter. No.
It's arranging anyway. She's gonna go to north. She would.
Look at it. Cool. No, it's the last 5 minutes. No. It's tough. Cool.
Oh.
Cool.
You want to pull back first?
Yeah. I'm in now. I'm in. I mean,
Right.
gilly.
So how much you risking?
0.5. And then stop
Yeah.
loss.
Yeah.
Stop loss got, yeah, just right.
Why?
Just a
Why?
bit on top, just a bit on top, just a bit on top.
Why?
Yeah.
Why you want to put it here?
Just in case liquidity, just in case a pullback.
No, I'm asking you, why did you put this candle?
Say that again.
Why did you put on stop loss on that candle's high?
Why did I? Because it's a safe stop loss, risk management.
Okay.
$49, isn't it? That's 0.5%. So it's
That you always put your stop loss the candle before the one you
the
end.
previous candle high.
Okay.
Okay, what's high? Let's let it play out. Let's see what's gonna happen. Cool. Yep. Uh,
Okay.
take out 0.25, man. Take out 0.25.
So you're gonna close half, yeah?
Yeah, close
You're
for
gonna
sure.
close half, yeah?
So give
Yeah,
it the
okay.
rest.
All right, and keep the stop loss where it is, right?
Yeah.
You never move your stop loss. Now,
عادي خلاص فيري حاسس لذيذ.
right, okay. So you're down 1% today.
Yeah. وعليكم السلام. 1% is the maximum I'm losing in a day. إلهي بريهانة قارسين it.
Yes, because what happened is, and today you were trading before London, before New York, and it's
That's why. That's
and it's a
okay.
ranging day,
صح.
very ranging day.
No, but the thing said it was bearish though. The daily bias is
Yes,
bearish. So,
fine. It's still early, but we don't have a good setup yet. Everything is there, but there's no volume. There's nothing moving.
no,
So
but
let's keep.
حتى وقت سكحري like the whole laptop because I've risked my 1% of the day.
No, part of that risk was yesterday's risk.
Okay.
Part of that loss was yesterday's loss. Okay, now what we have here. We
Cool.
cross London low, right?
Yeah.
We
And
create
then
what?
we've
Resistance.
created resistance at the top. So what I'll wait for is a pullback
And
and then
and
previous low and then stop loss at the previous high.
we
Previous
create
candle.
resistance and confirmation resistance.
Yeah.
Okay.
صح.
We close below the key levels, 45. We close below London low. If 1 minute pulls back and comes back, we're going to be taking a sell. Our stop loss is going to be above the confirmation of resistance. It's very simple. Thirdly, we need to see the pullback first. The other thing is time is very important. It is 6:30 New York time now, and it's also last 5 minutes of 30 minutes. So let's keep an eye. What's going to happen? What's likely to happen? If she goes without pulling back, we're not going to play.
Yeah.
Good. She can go without us. She can go wherever she wants. She can go wherever she wants to go. All right, 30 minutes close. If she break that low, would you willing to take it?
No.
First 1 minute pull back, second 1 minute break the low.
Yeah. I need the pullback. There's no pullback at all. Yeah. Cool. If it breaks now, I'm in.
Slowly creeping, she's going down. Slowly.
Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah. So today is
Oh,
eventually we end up the 50 pip already move, but she gave us a really slow injection. See how much people we moved from London low. 50 pip, 32 pips, but that was creepy one because if that was in New York, so let's go to next day.
next day.
Keep dropping, but we missed that move. We didn't have a nice volume to trade with.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can see the nice volume. It started to inject properly after like 2 o'clock, 2:30.
It's always good. Always a nice to trade in the New York session where the volume are. Now, what is the time? Now it's the third day. We're only down for 1%. Okay. The third day. We came to the market in the third day. What is our job? Go straight to daily candle.
Daily candle, sir.
Okay. What is this? Let's remove everything. Let's put it on another one. Okay. Daily candles. says clearly was
I said,
rejected here,
it says,
was rejected here as well. Here is a support area. So daily candle is actually inside this support area. But yesterday candle closed bearish. And day before bearish. Resistance, confirmation of resistance. So overall, downtrend normal. So
okay, so this is good. This is good because in the 4-hour Hadda, what I would look for is for the daily candle to create the pullback. So I would
right.
look for buyers on the 5-minute time frame. That's what I would look for.
Now our job
Let's go
is
to the let's go to the 4-hour.
our
Yeah,
job is first of all,
yeah,
our
for
job
4 hours.
is our job is go to daily candle.
Yeah.
This strategy. Our job is to go to the daily candle. Okay. Yesterday daily candle bearish.
So I'm expecting today to be bearish as well. And there's
Not really,
resistance.
not necessarily, but we rejected this resistance area.
Resistance
And we are on support area.
So
Fine. That's all I want daily from it. Okay. Thank you. So let me go to and my next step is because we need to go through step by step what we've written here before. Remember, we don't want to over jump that one. So go to
4-hour time frame.
Go to the 4 hours.
We mark our key level.
So 4 hours, London high and London low.
Key levels are there, and we mark out the London high and the London low.
So let me just mark again everything. Start from the scratch. We come to the 4 hours here.
Go to the candle, the bullish candle.
Which one is a London candle?
The bullish candle before that one, yes, sir.
This one is
we mark out the high as well.
So let me mark the London high, London low, and London high. Okay, and then let me go to here and clone it. Then my other job is to go straight to 4th minute, and then put on the body. And then which one is this one? 8 o'clock. Is this 8 o'clock? No, this is this one is the one. So when I did like this, I'm gonna check everything. It's only about 30 people, very small range for London. Yeah. So when I see something like this, what is my third things to do?
Key levels.
So called. Which one is the next key level? 15.
Let me look at it properly. We're at 1815. So
okay, 15 is here.
1815, 1820.
15 is the next key level here on the top. Okay, what is the next one? 20 key level. 20 key level. So 1820.
1820.
1820. Okay.
So, and we go below as well, 1810.
1810.
And 1805.
And 1805. And then remember, always mark the key level, strong key levels nearby. And which one is the nearby? Which is strong key levels nearby? 1805.
1805, wait, 1 second.
1800.
1800.
So that's how we marked everything, right? So when we marked something like this, what are we going to do? Clone it. So everything can be printed out, all charts, daily. You see that? So now, in a glance, we know exactly London candle today closed bullish. And it looks like daily pullback, right? So our job is to wait for 5-minute candle. We don't want to overjump our list, okay? Our list says our job is to see 5-minute candle close below here, pull back, and then break the low. Or 5-minute candles close above, 1-minute pullback, take the high. That's our job. Okay. So until we see something like this, we are sitting here, our hands on. Okay. No formal. No thing. Just wait for it. See that. Now we are very close to London high. And if we see a 5-minute close, recently we've been trading this time pre-London. I wish we could see it. We can trade London, New York. Normally, does the breakout happen in New York session is very good, very healthy. Now we don't see any trade break above. We're still gonna have to. The problem is here, the key levels 1815 is also the London high, right? So if we see any 5 minutes or 15 minutes with a healthy candle close above 15, we have a very good chance to go to 20 area. Don't forget to look for 15 minutes or 30 minutes to check what's happening on the left.
So
This is 30 minutes. This is a very resistant area, very difficult. But if we have any chance to anything close here, we are going to all the way down here. Clean. We're gonna mirror this one. You have to mirror this one.
so
You understand? To mirror this one, this candle. You see that candle? We need to mirror. So that's how we want. Apart from that, we are very patient. Sitting there doing nothing.
let's go to the 30 minutes. Next candle. Next
All right,
candle.
let's go to 15 minutes. Let's go
On
to
5 minute. 15
5
minute.
minutes. 15 minutes and very messy. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. All right. Let me see the 5 minute. What does this 5 minute says?
It's a fake out.
5 minutes close above.
Above.
Okay, let's go to first 1 minute. What happened? The first 1 minute to 5 minutes is still on. She needs to do a pullback, but if she break the high of the second 1 minute,
I'm in now. I'm in.
right? You're in. Right.
0.5.
Either 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, you want to take the high of that 1 minute? What do you call this candle? Breakout candle.
Breakout candle, sir.
That's the gladiator. That's the one managed to close above the key level. That's the 5 minute managed to close above all this resistant area. And that's healthy candle for 14 pip, 15 pip. I think still it's supposed to be 15, but it's 15 or 14 and a half. I can accept. If we take this trade, our stop loss will be the breakout candles low. Okay.
Sir.
You want to take this trade?
Yep.
Stop loss will be here.
Yep.
Give them a space a little bit, somewhere.
Yeah.
And then take a profit will be 20.
Key level, yeah, the next key level.
You don't have to be 1920 area. It's going to be 19.
Just a bit below it.
1950, 1950, somewhere like this.
Okay.
Because sometimes
so 1 to 3 as well. Perfect. Cool.
Today we have a good trade.
Yeah. And
Push. If next 5 minutes come back again and close inside the range, you're gonna have to close 50% or you're gonna kill it. Okay, some other things you need to learn alongside here. When 5 minutes close like this, you put a ruler here and then measure it. If she is close 50% rejection, if this wick and the body wick is long, it's a rejection candle. But she's not rejection. It's not a rejection until she break this low.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna close 50% if it breaks the low, previous low.
Okay, let's do that. I think she's gonna do the wick fill and then she's gonna go up. If not,
nothing's gonna go down.
Go. Go to 20, mate.
Come on, man. Break the previous high, man.
Of course, this is not the New York session, because if it's a New York, she will probably go one simple candle to get you all the way up to 50 pip. Come on. How many pips you have? 7 pip, 8 pip? No. We need a 50 pip. At least 30 pip. Come on. Push. We don't need it. This is the problem, because if you're not trading in London, New York time, there's always luck.
Yeah, it's very weak.
Now, how many pips you on?
Let's look at it.
12 pips. 12 pips.
12 pips. Cool.
Nah, that's not enough.
It's not enough.
I need a 30 pip list. or 25 people. If not, if this candle come back, so it's this break this low, I'm gonna close half.
No, I would close half at the wick, you know, the wick of the third candle. That's what I'd close half.
Right. All right. She's struggling. She's struggling to go up. That's why I don't like any to trade anything other than Neo.
Oh, yeah. Take away half. Because I was in fairly enough profit. So I'm not gonna take a full loss. Close half of it, no.
Hmm?
Close half of it. Close
You wanna
half of it.
close? You wanna close?
Yeah,
50? Okay.
yeah,
All right.
I was in decent profit, so I shouldn't be losing.
All right. Okay. I get you. We still
Like,
have the stop loss
yeah,
below.
no,
Right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. I get you.
Like,
What if we create here support, confirmation of support? Are you willing to take a buy to all the way up?
we create support, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. I just needed to break.
Now you want to take a buy?
Next candle, yep.
If the next candle break the high,
The next candle,
no, she
and it
break it.
will.
No. She break the confirmation of resistance support. So basically, if you see something like this, okay, learn something from me today. If you
Cool.
see something like this,
So,
we create support,
so,
confirmation of support,
so.
and then we move a little bit up because there's no volume to carry on. Now we create a resistance, confirmation of resistance. Another candle comes back again, violated this confirmation of support. So, confirmation of resistance, and we create support, confirmation of support. Say, oh yeah, we're going to north, and this candle comes, violate confirmation of support. Now we create another support. That means we are on the range. We're not having anywhere. We're not going anywhere. We're on a deep range here.
So,
Understand? So you don't have to be any trade at the moment.
so.
No. You can close your $9 if you want, or you can keep it that way and keep your original stop loss here as it is and keep it there.
No, you know what? Yeah, Yeah. Close the whole trade for me. Close all of it. Head. Yeah, close all of it.
All right.
Because it's range bound. I don't want to take a chance. I want to
So
see when it up.
later on, if the market comes back all the way down here, comes back here, and then when you create a close above here, you can take a really buy.
Yeah, that's what I'd prefer. When it closes outside of the range, then I'll enter.
Because right now she doesn't have any energy to move to the north, so she needs to go to south. See?
Cool.
She's gonna violate. This is a confirmation breakout candle.
So
let's do her work. Let's just relax and do what she wants to do. Oh, yes. Now she's gonna create what? A support confirmation of support. See, it's still range. Now, see, she violated confirmation of support now.
yeah,
now she's creating resistance. Now she's gonna create confirmation of resistance.
No.
So we're not going anywhere. We're just in a deep.
Okay.
Time. Look at the time. What can you see?
It's 2:35.
So it's about half an hour left to what?
Half an hour left to So
if Neo close above, this is the first time we have seen this chance to buy it. Neo will give you a different flavor, different test. All right. Yes, we create a support, confirmation of support now. Let's close above. All right. Good. What can you see?
See support, confirmation of support.
And which one is a breakout candle?
The fake out candle.
Breakout candle, breakout candle.
What's on this one?
This one. This one is a breakout candle. Let me see that. This is your breakout candle. Okay. So now this candle managed to close again, second time above London, right? This candle managed to close.
Yeah, bullish one. Yeah,
this is a London high. This is London. High. So if this candle, why we messed here? This one didn't have a wick. You see, this one didn't have a wick before. That's why we didn't have enough volume to go up. So now we came back, high volume session time. And if we see a 1 minute pullback, and next 1 minute breaking this high, we are good to go. If not, she can go all the way down to London low. She do whatever she wants. Okay? We don't trade our feeling, we trade what we see. Okay? Come on, pull back. And this is very important as well. This candle here is a confirmation of support. Need to be respected. All right, 1 minute pullback completed. Second 1 minute, she doesn't need to break this low. Second one, she need to break, she doesn't have no business to break this low. Okay, that's it. Finish. Maybe if we see another candle close above, or maybe fake. See, she went back to the range again. Today might be the ranging day. Is there any news today?
No, we didn't check.
Ah, yes, there's a high news coming up in about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
In about 15 minutes, there's a news coming up. Is that ADP?
I think so.
ADP and non-farm. Oh my God. This gonna be higher. That's why
Yeah.
whenever you see the market is ranging pre-New York or something, like, there was
There's
always
news.
a really heavy news coming up. So
Cool. So how would you enter this news, Hada? How would you?
No, you're not gonna enter. You're gonna wait the news happen, and then when the market settle down, we're gonna look for entry.
Cool, man.
No, we don't want to be gambling. Trading the news is like gambling. Don't want to mess around.
Cool.
Okay. All right. Today we took a 3 days trade and we don't have anything yet. And every day is not trading day.
Of course, sir.
So you don't have to be informed. Or now.
Wait, go back to the news then. One more time. I just want to say something.
Right. Yeah. There's a really
no.
nice news.
It's good.
See all this news. This.
Yeah, it's good. Because even at 8 o'clock there's news again. 5 o'clock there's news again. It's good.
Okay.
So I wouldn't enter. I wouldn't look for no entries or nothing because
No. Don't look at the news. Just think about only the setup now. We'll discuss these things. These are the extra components. Right now, we're only looking for the setup. What we're teaching in this session.
Yeah, but don't you think the setup's going to be affected by the news?
It's going to affect it, but we want to see the setup first now.
Cool.
And the right time. If we don't see the setup, we familiarize the setup. If there's a time the setup and news, then we're going to leave the setup alone. This one, 15:05. It's at 8. Always keep an eye whenever you see the time. Whenever you see the time, 8:20 New York time, which is 15 minutes left. This candle called COMX candle. COMX, high volume candle, 5 minute one. It's a 5 minute candle. It's called high volume candle. Commodity exchange also, Gabriel. There's a short abbreviation, commodity exchange. Keep an eye. This 5 minutes is a madness. That's when the bells, they put in the bells on commodity exchange. So anyway, the news is gonna happen anyway, but we're gonna have to see what is gonna happen. We might miss that thing today, the third time. Okay.
Now let's play it.
Right. Now 1 minute left in the news. We might go to north, the way she looks. Yeah. Picked up the liquidity, go to north. News didn't do that much, to be honestly. The first 1 minute of the news didn't happen. Oh yeah, she's gone. Okay. If 5 minutes close above, what are you gonna do?
I wanna end for buy it.
What time is the next news? Is it not yet?
Now 5 o'clock. We've got some time. So let's see how it finishes.
So now we create a what?
Support.
And then we violate.
No.
Looks like we violated. So we're in a range still. So we're waiting for the might be the Chair Paul to speak.
Speak.
You see, it's a nasty day. So unlucky this week we trading, you and I, is a really nasty week for price action. You see that? Even New York is one of the nastiest, and London was nasty. So that's it. There's no trade for today as well. So today is a Wednesday.
No trade today.
No trade. That's it. We couldn't even close London high. We closed it before and fake out here.
صح.
But we're gonna have to wait another setup. And maybe okay, this time here, 2:30 London time for NYSE open. Okay, that's the NYSE session. Okay, so NYSE session is that high volume session as well.
صح.
We're gonna have to prepare ourselves that one. Maybe we're gonna have a move from there. And when it's 10 o'clock, 5 o'clock, there's always really nice move. It's called Harley Quinn candle. That's 10 a.m. candle. Now wait for the 5 minutes to close above. If NYSE close above here, I'm gonna take a buy.
Cool.
How many minutes left NYSE? Look at the time.
No.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
That's most volume time. Oh, you have to blow it. Started now. Started. No bottom wick. The way she's pushing, huh? Oh la, look at that.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
They're gonna close above. She might not gonna wait for you. She's a very nasty. First 1 minute. You see 1 minute.
Yeah,
No
but there's
wick.
news in 30 minutes, by the way, yeah?
Yeah, but this is NYSE candle. It's called NYSE candle. It's the one 230, 231, starting 230. This candle is not even gonna wait for you. She's gonna go all the way down to 20. But that's not our job. Our job is to see the candle close
That's
above.
FOMO. If you get involved in that, that's FOMO, even though it's doing numbers.
Exactly. NYSE candle. I mean, normally I take this. I took this trade. The way I took this trade, let me show you. This is how I took this trade.
Once it goes above.
This is not what I meant to. We're supposed. This is not what we're teaching right now. But the reason I took this kind of trade inside the range, no bottom wick, high volume session time. Okay. Overall, we're gonna bullish for the 4 hour limit, right? This one was what? Confirmation of what?
Confirmation of resistance.
This was a resistance. So normally what I do was when I see something like this, I always risk it. Stop loss is very minimum. Even if you look at it, look at the stop loss.
It's like 3 pips, like 4 pips stop loss.
Yeah, this no, it's more than that anyway. It's about 12, no, 5 pip.
Yeah, 5 pips stop loss, very close.
Yeah, normally because the volume session time is a very heavy session NYSE. And the reason I risked this one is because I knew overall this is not gonna wait for you. This candle is a heavy candle, a lot of volume on it. It's called New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. So you take that kind of trade is one of those cowboy entry. You don't need to worry about now. But that's how I trade it most of the time.
Okay.
The reason I took was because this violation here, no bottom wick, higher volume session time. There's so many things I'm adding together. I understand. So it was breaking this confirmation of resistance. Why she's going to break this confirmation of resistance and a resistance if she is already knows where she's going?
There now.
Understand?
Pause. Hey. I would have taken 75% of my profits off that candle because there might be some sort of pullback because price is going to be very expensive. So you see, Korka had the market joke day. I would have taken 75% away. I would have broke even. Alaikum salam. Play out.
Let's hold it. Let's see the candle close up.
Right.
Let's see the candle close up off. And remove the take a profit as well. Remove the take a profit. The candle, this candle close first, and then we'll see. I said, and this is almost 50-50 rejection. So what are you gonna do?
So at the top, what had that?
How are you gonna enter this one? You close above London anyway, and there's a high volume session. How are you gonna close? Number one, this candle is very large, of 40 people. Number two, even if you take a trade here, you need to wait 1 minute for pullback, and your stop loss should be the low of that 1 minute.
So
That's the only way I can take this trade.
yeah, but I would have taken profits though. Qasab. I would have taken
Forget about
profits.
the profit. Now I'm talking about, suppose you didn't take this trade.
Okay, okay. So how would you enter?
Yeah, how are you gonna enter? A 1 minute finish. Okay, your stop loss will be the low of that 1 minute, regardless. Regardless, your stop loss will be stop low of that 1 minute.
So.
But this one has to break the high.
It has to.
It has to break its own high. Okay, would you willing to take the trade? Okay, let's risk it 0.25. Let's risk it 0.25. Okay, you put a stop loss here.
Close the other one. Oh, mid Kalafuran.
Oh yes, but you can take it anyway. That one.
Ah,
Yeah, you want to close the other one, yeah?
yeah,
Close.
yeah.
Okay.
So we secured some profits, so that's good.
Okay, you take this trade.
No, this one, you always, you're trading kind of ISO dirty.
Yeah.
Just after you make your profits, you only risk 25% of your profits.
That's
on the
house
next.
money. Yeah, whenever I made the
Yeah.
money, I'm gonna risk the house money, 0.25 or 0.20 of the house money.
So.
For example, if I got $1,000, I'm only risking 0.25.
So.
You understand?
So.
Let's push it. It's 11 o'clock now. I'm already late. Wait, no. We've been talking 2 hours now.
So impossible.
Yeah.
So has been 2 hours.
Yeah.
Bismillah. It's very, very knowledgeable though. How about that as well?
You absolutely need that one. But you can view it and watch it later on. I'm gonna.
Yeah, Esau did it. Esau did it. This recording.
So let's see this one. If this one push it up in 3 days, that's basically all I want. It's not about the risk. It's not all other things. All I want is just to familiarize yourself.
It's with the strategy.
Strategies, yes, overall the strategy. So, and whether it is closing a London high or London low, and then how to enter. That's all. But later on, we can have there's a session on the YouTube channels. You can watch how to manage this. At the moment, we already on profit. How many people we on profit? Let me see that.
Well, let's check right now.
Yeah, 10 pip.
10 pip. And we secured the profits before.
That not well. Let's see the 50. Let's see that 20 area in this one. If this one break the high NYC high, she's gonna fly.
Yeah.
If she break that NYC high, she's gonna fly.
If it goes below the body though of the previous, then we take 50% away.
Yes, exactly. The reason I'm not that confident at the moment. I need to go quickly move because the last 1 minute or 15 minutes.
Yeah. So.
And she might come back quickly. Now we're up what? We're up for 17 pips.
We need 3 more pips.
Yes, push. I'll come back.
If it comes back, I'm taking 50. Yeah, take 50. Take 50.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Rejection candle. Yeah, I knew 15 minutes, a nasty one.
Yeah, it's a nasty one.
Yes, sir. To the north. To the north. To the north. That's the trade of the day. Yeah. La. So how many pips now you're in?
Check, no
18 pips. Let's put this one here. Let's see what.
Let's close 50. Close 50 and then break even, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You want the money, yeah?
No, because it makes sense. It makes sense. Why am I gonna asego intas jirto? Why am I gonna lose lag?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you know, remove the take profit as well, so you can fly it to the north.
Yeah.
So how many pips you on now? 25 pips.
25 pips.
Okay.
I saw it. We'll break even as well, Mahano.
Yes.
Oh, Bashalin. It makes sense because why would I lose that much money? I know Intas profit could,
Yes.
صاع صاحب fly أرض
Right. So how many pips now you on? 40 pips. Key level to key level. That's the good thing of New York session. Earlier we were struggling because it was pre-New York.
صح.
And if we cross 5 minutes, cross above 25, 20 key levels, it's gonna fly to 25.
had to close it.
You want to close now?
Yeah, close.
Okay, all right. It's your call. So now you're 36 pips.
Yeah,
so
man.
How much you want to close? 50%?
50, yeah, 50.
50
So my break even anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, so you want to close another 50, yeah?
Yeah, another 50.
Good. So you can trail your stop loss if you want. But anyway, keep
I don't want to trust stop loss.
All right,
it's
now.
risk free. I want this to be risk free. And
look at that. So now we're above London, 50 people move Garaad that.
وبشان عرق. صاحب.
So 40 pips. Can you see that one? 50
Yeah, I can see it. 50 pips.
Oh,
50 pips.
At least we got the trade for the last trade. So
Yeah, it's every day.
This is the only time we got the New York session. We were trading in a pre-New York, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Only time we got the session.
So New York صح. أنا وإحنا بنلعبها 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 2 o'clock GMT.
2 o'clock, صح.
No. New York started what 1 o'clock London time.
1 o'clock, صح.
So you need to get ready for 12:30. You need to be on your desk.
صح.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see that?
If it goes below the body, then close the rest of the trade. I did just say, yeah, Bashan.
If 5 minutes close above, she's gonna fly.
Yeah.
She's gonna fly. What's the next key level? Sorry. What's the next key level? What's the $10 key levels? 30. What is the $5 key level from 20? You said
15.
25.
25 I meant, sorry.
25. 20, 25.
Yeah,
25 is the next key levels. The one after that is 30. That's the $10 one. 10 from 20 to 30 is a $10 move, right? So let's see that if 5 minutes close above, we're good to go. Oh yes. No, don't come back. Don't come back. No need to come back. Oh yeah, she's gonna stop us.
No, sure.
Oh, she stopped us out.
I'm sorry. I'm happy though. That was a very good move.
She's gonna go to North anyway. She wants to go. Yes, key levels. You see,
Yes.
And anyway, you're done for the day anyway. You took your trade. It's a late session. It's at 5:30 anyway. I said,
even أنا صلاة المغرب أقول هذا.
Alrighty, my friend. Thanks very much. I hope
الله يخيرك يا ذا روح
understand this. Keep watching. Upload this one into the videos.
We saw direct this one.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it now. It's probably take a few minutes to load it, and then inshallah we'll watch from there.
I'm gonna بريتو بصبح من كساكو. I'm gonna use it to bahashana gadana azo, and then I'm gonna back test it.
Which one? And simulation session.